Before we can pair a phone with the IQ panel, we need to enable Bluetooth. To do this, swipe down on your settings tray, go to Settings, Advanced Settings, type in your installer code, go to Installation, Devices, and Bluetooth Devices. Next, go into Bluetooth Settings and check the box next to Bluetooth. And then check Bluetooth Disarm, and you're ready to go. To add a phone, touch the back arrow, select Add Device. Next, grab your smartphone, go into Settings, and touch Bluetooth. Be sure to keep your phone close to the panel. It could take about 30 seconds for the IQ panel to find it. Once the name appears on the screen, you'll select Pair on the IQ panel and your smartphone. You can pair up to 5 smartphone devices on the IQ panel and watch you use your system more by using your system less.